As we progress now to the next line in our code, let's consider this advanced pattern that demonstrates creating variables from deeply nested dictionary paths. We've got cross-section, the bracket, detection equipment readings, close bracket, open bracket, equipment, close bracket, and then assigning that to this dictionary. So we're demonstrating chained bracket notation, as you probably understand by this point. We're using multiple bracket operations in sequence to create variables at specific locations within nested dictionary structures. Let's break down this bracket chain. So cross-section detection equipment readings navigates to the detection equipment readings dictionary within our cross-section. And equipment goes one level deeper using the current equipment name as the key, assigning to the dictionary, creating a new dictionary variable at that specific nested location. This is like navigating through a complex filing system. Instead of going to the main folder, then the subfolder, then creating a file in a separate step, we're doing it all in one elegant expression. The pattern variable assigned to nested dict, key 1, key 2, key 3, all in brackets, chained together, demonstrates how to extract deeply buried data and assign it to standalone variables for independent use. It's powerful because we're creating structured data at a precise location. Each piece of equipment gets its own dictionary containing raw value, confidence, and equipment status, all organized under that equipment's name within the detection readings. So scientific databases organize complex measurements like this. Instead of having scattered variables, we're building a hierarchical data structure where cross-section contains detection equipment readings, which contains individual equipment dictionaries, each with specific measurement properties. The bracket chains create readable variable assignments from complex data paths. You can see exactly where the data is being stored and how it's organized, making your scientific data structure accessible and logically arranged for analyses and reporting.